Hi children, in the previous class we have learned what are rational numbers, representation of rational numbers on the number line, and how to insert a rational number between two rational numbers, and how to represent n number of rational numbers between two rational numbers. There are three methods. First one is mean method, second one is you have to multiply both integers. When x and y are integers, you have to multiply both integers, x into n plus 1 by n plus 1 and y into n plus 1 by n plus 1. The third one is when the given numbers are two rational numbers, you have to find out the formula d equal to y minus x by n plus 1. After that, we are going to learn the concept 2. Day 2, concept 2. Here our concept is operations of fractions as well as rational numbers. There are four fundamental operations. There are fundamental operations: addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Here how to do with respect to fractions as well as rational numbers. Here what are fractions? Let us remember the definition of the fractions. The numbers which are in the form of a by b, a comma b belongs to whole numbers and b not equal to 0 are called fractions. Here rational numbers. What are rational numbers? The numbers in the form of p by q, where p and q belongs to integers and q not equal to 0 are called rational numbers. Here how to do four fundamental operations with respect to fractions. Now we have two types of fractions. First one is like fractions and unlike fractions. Observe clearly how to add two like fractions. What are like fractions? The fractions with the same denominator are called like fractions. All the fractions in common denominator they have. Now I am taking two like fractions, 2 by 3 plus 5 by 3. Your answer is, you are well known about it, it is 7 by 3. How to do it? How to do it? Simple. You have to add the both numerators and write the common denominators. You can write here sum of numerators by common denominator. What is it? Sum of numerators by common denominator is the sum of the two like fractions. How to add to unlike fractions? First of all, you have to convert them into like fractions. After add them as it is like fractions. Like a like fractions. I am taking two unlike fractions now. 2 by 3 plus 3 by 4. Here what is the LCM of both denominators 3 and 4? We know, we are well known about it. It is LCM. 4 3s are 12. Why? Because 3 and 4 are co-primes. The LCM of co-primes is product of the given numbers. Now LCM is to equalize both the denominators to the LCM by multiplying both numerator and denominator by the suitable number. Now it is equal to 2 into 3 4s are 12. So 2 4s are 2 into 4 8 by 12 e plus 3 4 3s are 12 3 3s are 9 9 by 12. You have to multiply both terms of the fraction by the common denominator. Now here 17 by 12 you can get the answer. Observe clearly, this is the process to add like fractions and unlike fractions. Now how to subtract two like fractions? Very easy concept. You have to write the difference of the both numerators by common denominator. Let us take the example 5 by 3 minus 2 by 3 equal to difference of both numerator is 5 minus 2 equal to 3 by 3, which is equal to 1. Now unlike fractions, same process you have to follow. You have to find out the LCM of the denominators and equalize both terms of the both denominators to the LCM by multiplying with the common or with the suitable number. Now 5 by 3 minus 2 by 4. Again LCM is 12. LCM is 12. Multiply both terms of the fraction with the suitable number. 3 fours are 12. 5 fours are 20. 20 by 12 minus 4 3s are 12. 2 3s are 6. 6 by 12 which is equal to 14 by 12. Now you can generalize it. Addition of like fractions. I am writing the formula sum of numerators by common denominator. Here sum of unlike fractions you can write now. Convert them into like fractions and add them. Here simple. Difference of numerators by common denominator. Difference of numerators by common denominator. Same here. Convert them into like fractions. Next, find out the difference and subtract them. Convert them into like fractions and subtract them. I have written the process how to add like fractions, how to add unlike fractions, how to find out difference between two like fractions, how to find out the difference between two unlike fractions. Now multiplication of two like fractions, how to multiply two like fractions. Simple 5 by 6 into 3 by here take 5 by 6 into 7 by 6. Here you have to multiply both numerators and both denominators as it is. 7 5s are 35 by 6 6 are 36. Same I am taking to unlike fractions, so the process is the same. The process is the same. Now 2 by 3 into 4 by 5 equal to 4 2s are 8 by 5 3s are 15. You let us generalize it. Whatever fractions are there, just you have to multiply both numerators. When you multiply both numerators, you will get the product of numerators. Product of numerators by product of denominators. So we have completed addition, subtraction, multiplication of fractions. Now we have only one division. How to divide two like fractions or unlike fractions? You follow same step as multiplication. I am writing two fractions. 2 by 3 is divided by 5 by 6. So dividing 2 by 3 by 5 by 6 is nothing but you have to multiply the dividend by the reciprocal of the divisor. You have to learn here what is the reciprocal. If the product of two fractions is 1, then the two fractions are reciprocal to each other. You have to write in the place of numerator denominator, in the place of denominator numerator. Just reverse order, write the reciprocal of 5 by 6 is 6 by 5. Now multiply dividend 2 by 3 with reciprocal of 5 by 6 which is 6 by 5. Now 3 ones are 3 2s are cancelled, 2 2s are 4 by 5 is the required answer. Now let us generalize it. Division of two fractions is nothing but, so you have to multiply dividend by the reciprocal of the divisor. So this is the concept you must learn. Fractions, the operations here, like fractions, unlike fractions, how to add like fractions and unlike fractions, how to find out the difference between like fractions and unlike fractions, and how to multiply two fractions, how to divide two fractions. Let us learn about how to add two rational numbers. It is very similar. Listen carefully. If a by b comma c by d belongs to rational numbers, just add numerators a plus a by b comma c by d with the common denominator. Both are belongs to rational numbers. You have to add the numerators a plus c by b. Simple sum of numerators by common denominator. We define the addition of rational numbers. If a by b comma c by b are two rational numbers, then a plus c by b is a sum of the rational numbers. So what about if a by b and I am taking negative number, negative fraction or negative rational number which is added to a by b, it is c by d. Now a by b is added to negative fraction c by d. Now you have to convert them as like fractions and add like that. So here a minus a by b minus c by d. Let us take one more rational numbers and subtract them. If a by b comma c by b, two rational numbers, you have to find out the difference of the numerators by denominator. A minus c by b. A minus c by b is the difference of the both rational numbers. Let us take 2. A by b is subtracted from minus c by d. What will you write? Now you have to write additive inverse of c by d is added to a by b equal to a by b minus of minus plus again c by d. Here what is additive inverse of a rational number? You must learn. Additive inverse, if the sum of two rational numbers is 0, then two rational numbers are additive inverse to each other. For example, additive inverse of 2 by 3 is minus 2 by 3. We get the additive inverse of a number by changing the symbol. So multiplication of two rational numbers again the same. If a by b comma c by b, two rational numbers, then product of numerators by product of denominators. I am taking a by b comma c by d belongs to two rational numbers, then their product is a into c by b into d. So when they are in simplest form of the fraction, we can do like this. When they are not in the simplest form, also we can do after finding out the product both numerator and denominator, we can simplify it. Next one is our division. Same process. If a by b is divided by c by d, a by b comma c by d are two rational numbers. First rational number is called dividend, second one is called divisor. Now if dividend, a rational number is divided by divisor c by d, it is equal to a A by B into D by C. So here dividend is multiplied by reciprocal of the divisor. This is the process if you want to do operations, fundamental operations on rational numbers. What is numerical expression? Now next topic is numerical expression. Now two or more numbers are connected by fundamental operations plus minus and multiplication and division, then that expression is called numerical expression. For example, I am writing 2 by 3 into 4 by 5 divided by 6 by 3 minus 2 plus 1. Here, to solve this expression, you must follow BODMAS rule. The process of solving the numerical expression is called simplification. So when you simplify this one, if you follow BODMAS rule, here BODMAS in the letters, all capital letters, B for brackets, O for off, and D for division, M for multiplication, A for addition and subtraction. Here if I put bracket here, you have to do first this one. Let us solve this 2 by 3 into 4 by 5. Now division of two rational numbers you have to multiply with the reciprocal of the divisor. Now 3 by 6 minus 2 plus 1. After that 2 by 3, 2 2s are 2 3s are 3 3 cancel, 2 1s are 2, get 2 by 3 into 2 by 5 minus 2 plus 1. Next one is you should prefer for multiplication before addition and subtraction. Now again multiply, 2 2s are 4, 5 3s are 15 minus 2 plus 1. Here plus 4 by 15 plus 1, both are positive terms, add them. 4 by 15 plus 1 minus 2. You can write here 15 by 15, 15 plus 14, 19 by 15 minus 2 equal to, again LCM 15, 15 2s are 30, 19 minus 30, 19 minus 30 by 15, which is equal to minus 11 by 15. So this is the answer, simplified answer, this numerical expression. So this is our concept, today's concept. Addition, subtraction, multiplication, division of fractions and rational numbers. To solve the problems, you have to follow this method. So you have observed clearly. Let us take one example. Subtract 2 by 5 from 1 by 15. Subtract 2 by 5 from 1 by 15. What number should be subtracted? That is called subrahand. It is called minute. You have to find out the difference. So here subtract 2 by 5 from 1 by 15. 1 by 15 you have to write first. This upper hand you have to write second one. 1 by 5 minus 1 by 15 minus 2 by 5. You are well known about LCM is 15. LCM is 15. Now convert them into like fractions. 1 by 15. What number you should multiply with the denominator to get 15? 5 3s are 15. Now 2 3s are 6. So 6 by 15. Your answer is minus 1 minus 6 by 15. Why? Because both are like fractions. Difference of numerators by denominator. This is minus 5 by 15, which is equal to 5 ones are 5 3s are minus 1 by 3 is the answer. Like that you have to solve the problems in worksheet 2, problem number 1 to 20. Very easy problems you can do. All the best.